How to restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can restore photos from your iCloud to iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to restore photos from iCloud to iPhone, let's say that you had your Apple ID and all of your photos were backed up to your iCloud account, and then you want to get them back into your main Photos app again. For that, open the Settings app, make sure to tap your Apple ID profile from the very top, and then just go to this option called iCloud. Once you go to iCloud, go to Photos and just make sure this sync is currently enabled. When you sync this and turn this thing on, what happens is that all of the videos and photos that were saved inside the iCloud will also get synced to your native Photos app on your iPhone, and it will show up on the Photos app here. And this way you will be able to restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.